A government minister is calling on Jamaican women to have more children as the country's birth rate continues to fall. St. Anne's Southwestern MP and State Minister Zavia Mayne says the declining population is already affecting schools in his constituency. More in this report.
In recent months, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton has been sounding the alarm over Jamaica's declining birth rate. Now, St. Anne's Southwestern Member of Parliament Zavia Mayne is warning that fewer births could mean fewer students in schools, fewer workers in the future, and an overall decline in Jamaica's population. Mr. Mayne says the impact is already being felt in his constituency, where one school recently had to close its doors because there were not enough students to keep it open.
More than one, more than two. You have to go out there and go have some more pitney. To have some more children. Because if you don't have pitney, school can't remain open. We can't go give out no award.
Mr. Mayne, who is also the State Minister in the Ministry of Finance, says the situation may require government intervention, with the state considering ways to support and encouraging more women to have children.
I am certain, I am confident that not too long from now the government will be leading on a drive to ensure that we can stimulate, encourage and increase the birth rate that we see now, because we know that the birth rate is not at the level that we want it to. So for those of you waiting on the government, I am confident that not too long from now, the policies will be communicated, the plans will be advanced. Because for those of you who fear that you can't afford pitney, government is going to help you to have pitney and maintain pitney.
But Member of Parliament for St. Catherine North East, Carencia Morrison, while supportive of initiatives to increase the birth rate, offered this word of caution for women.
You see, before you go have the next baby there, make sure you complete your education. Amen. Make sure you complete your skills training. Amen. Make sure you have a supportive man beside you. Because sometimes it's not just about the money. No. When the baby is balling, no one wake up and help you to hold the baby. They don't want to help you to change the baby. So I want the women, let me tell you something. You see, when a woman, they have a good man, a solid man, a stable man, a man who will provide for them, and with the strength, she will have one baby, two baby, three baby, because she's comfortable.
Both Mr. Mayne and Ms. Morrison were speaking at an awards service in St. Anne's Southwestern Sunday.
Still to come this evening, respected attorney and public servant George Suter has died. And in business news, Sherwin Williams ends manufacturing operations at its St. Catherine facility. We'll be right back.